Meteorologist Joe Ansel here, watching for some active weather, courtesy of a cold front finally beginning to move east away from the Continental Divide, and several things we'll have to highlight in the forecast. I'll start with the freeze threat tonight. We do have a freeze watch, northwest Colorado, pretty much the entirety of the Yampa River Basin, central, lower, and upper Yampa River Basin, and the central Colorado River Basin, midnight tonight to 10 a.m. Tuesday. Freeze watch in effect. So if you got some sensitive vegetation, crops you need to protect up there, northwest Colorado, any outdoor piping you haven't gotten to yet, any outdoor animals, pets, livestock, do it before you fall asleep tonight. Midnight to 10 a.m. Tuesday, low as far down as 25 degrees Fahrenheit expected out there tonight. Now for today, many of us still have above average temps for one more day before this cool down. 67 in Steamboat, 66 in Vail today. Near or slightly above average in central eastern Colorado, Fruita and Cortez below average by about 2 handfuls of degrees. And here are your lows tonight. Frosty in Vail, 32, a freezing 27 in Steamboat Springs, 38 in Fruita, 30 in Cortez. The San Luis Valley in eastern Colorado for the plains areas, if you're in that dark green shade, isolated large hail and damaging winds are very much possible with any thunderstorms today. And precipitation type, lower elevations primarily rain, but there will be some wintry mixes, some shakes of the snow globe here and there above the tree line. We're talking about 2 to 6 inches of snow total with the round today, and another chance tonight and tomorrow. I think about 8 inches to a foot in the Uintas in Colorado possible. For us in the Park Range, Front Range, Pikes Peak, Sangre de Cristo, San Juan, Saguache Range, about 2 to maybe 6 inches of snow above the tree line. Wind traces to maybe ½ inches in some areas. I'll highlight in the lower elevations soon. It's also going to be a windy day. Southwest winds, some gusts could approach 50 miles per hour. So plan on a windy day, increasing clouds, chances of rain, storms this afternoon, tonight, and tomorrow. Some wintry mixes could sneak in. And then behind the cold front, areas of northern Colorado as far south as Interstate 70 will have a chance of some wintry mix showers. Denver, you can miss all of it in terms of the rain. 83 today, and then down from there. Near 70 Tuesday, 67 for a high in Denver on Wednesday. Winter Park, a trace to a couple of tenths of an inch of snow is technically possible. Steamboat, Rocky Mountain National Park, Eldora, little to no accumulation is expected. Highs near 60 today, windy, and then the cooling trend arrives. Chance of thunderstorms, some wintry mixes possible tonight. Copper Mountain, a trace to a ½ inch of snow is technically possible with that chance of a wintry mix. 57, 66 in Aspen, cooling trend for the rest of the week around Summit County. Trace to a ½ inch of snow, technically possible over the next couple of days. Highs in the 40s to the 60s, windy, with also a chance of a thunderstorm. In southwest Colorado, Purgatory, Telluride, Monarch, a trace to a ½ inch is possible. Wolf Creek as well. Highs in the 40s, 50s, and 60s, and then dry middle of the week. Now for mountain traffic.